If you're considering Citi Mobile for your finance needs, there are a few key things you should know before committing to it over other apps in the market. Citi Mobile promises to make your financial life easier, but is it the right choice for you? Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before making that decision. First off, Citi Mobile is part of the massive Citibank network, offering easy access to your Citi accounts on the go. It's a big plus if you already use Citibank, but if you don't, other apps like Chase or Wells Fargo may offer a smoother experience for managing accounts without having to open a new one. Next thing, Citi Mobile's interface is sleek and easy to navigate, but it's not the most user-friendly when compared to competitors. Apps like Mint or even Bank of America's app offer more intuitive designs, especially for those new to finance apps. If ease of use is your top priority, you might find those other options better suited to your needs. The third thing to consider is Citi Mobile's security features. It offers standard features like fingerprint login and multi-factor authentication, which are reliable, but other competitors like Chase and American Express go above and beyond with enhanced fraud detection and more secure transaction protocols. Next thing, Citi Mobile has solid budgeting tools, but they aren't as advanced as those in apps like YNAB or Mint. While it does allow you to track spending and categorize transactions, those apps offer more granular control and analysis for serious budgeters. The fifth thing, Citi Mobile offers access to some excellent rewards programs if you're a Citi credit card holder. However, it's not as comprehensive as the offerings from Chase's Ultimate Rewards program, which has more versatile redemption options. If rewards matter a lot to you, consider whether Citi's offerings match your needs. Next, the Citi Mobile app offers bill payment functionality, but it's limited compared to more dedicated bill pay apps. Other options like Prism or Mint allow for seamless management of multiple bills in one place, which may be an advantage for those who want more than just basic functionality. The seventh thing, Citi Mobile offers a simple and effective way to transfer funds between your Citi accounts or to other people using Zelle. While this feature is great, it's not quite as flexible as Venmo or PayPal when it comes to sending money to people who don't have a Citi account. The eighth thing to consider is Citi's customer service within the app. While they offer chat support and an easy-to-reach help section, the live support experience isn't always as quick or comprehensive as what you get with apps like Revolut or Chime, which pride themselves on fast and helpful customer service. Next thing, Citi Mobile does allow you to manage your credit cards, view statements, and make payments on the go, which is handy. However, apps like Capital One's mobile app give you more options for controlling your spending limits and providing deeper insights into your credit score, making them a more robust option for credit card management. The 10th thing, Citi Mobile offers savings and investment features, but they're not as competitive as what you'll find with other platforms like Robinhood or Wealthfront. These services tend to have more powerful investing tools and options if you're looking to grow your wealth more actively. The 11th thing, Citi Mobile has account alerts, which are great for keeping track of your balances and activity. But compared to competitors like Chime, which offer more customizable notifications for spending habits and savings goals, Citi's alerts can feel a bit basic. The final thing, Citi Mobile's app doesn't have all the bells and whistles of a fully fledged personal finance app. It's very much geared towards Citi customers who want to easily access their banking services, but if you're looking for a full suite financial management solution, there are apps out there with more comprehensive features. Overall, Citi Mobile is a good option for people who are already banking with Citi and want a straightforward mobile banking experience. However, if you're looking for something with a bit more flexibility and a wider range of features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.